Check the sugar water. Put some sponges in the sugar water to prevent drowning by the bees. Add sugar water. Check to see if they need a second box and check for the queen. So we're going to start out by giving a light smoke here. I'm going to crack the cover. Shouldn't need to smoke here because this is where the sugar water was. And you can see that a lot of it is crystallized. So I'll probably want to clean that out. Maybe some ants in the corners over there.
Oh, there's a lot of ants. I see them.
So now I'm going to smoke.
Can they use that too, Dad? Can they do anything with that crystallized sugar?
Maybe. I'm not positive.
Oh, I hear them.
Okay. Start out by checking our trap, hive beetle trap. There are a few bugs in there, but they look more like ants than they do beetles. Maybe we'll switch that out with a new one today. We're going to go ahead and put our frame. This is to hold our extra frames. And we're going to go ahead and start working. They're definitely starting to stick things together more with the propolis. Still not much going on the end frames. Good amount of propolis on the inside. They're really starting to stick things together. We have a little bit of honeycomb that they're kind of putting their hives, their frames together. I feel that we're going to have a lot going on in these frames over here. Again, not much at all going on there. Again, not much going on here. All right, now we're going to start getting into more and more good stuff, hopefully. Oh, we have capped brood. We have capped honey down on the bottom of the frame. We have capped brood at the top. I see some larvae right in the middle there. You can see some larvae, and you can see different sizes of the larvae. So she is, and eggs right over towards that area. So she is doing her job. Do I see the queen? Don't necessarily see the queen, so we're going to go ahead and put this frame back in and keep going.